Hello students and welcome to Saurav's classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to discuss about the latest modifications which are done in the dates as well as in the pattern and the syllabus of the MHCET Law Entrance Test. The Directorate of the Higher Education, that is the DHE in Maharashtra, has rescheduled the examination date of the MHCET Law Entrance Examination for this year, that is 2022. And the Law Entrance Examination will be conducted on the 10th of June 2022 for a 5-year LLB in the online CBT mode. Now, what is CBT mode? CBT is the computer-based test mode. Earlier, the examination was to be held on the 19th of March, but now it has been postponed. And the application form can be submitted within 27th of April 2022. So the exam date of MHCET Law for the year 2022 of the 3-year LLB program has been rescheduled. Now it will be conducted from the 4th of June 2022 and 5th of June 2022. The application form of MHCET law program for the 3-year LLB course have already been released from the 24th of March 2022 and candidates can submit the application form till April 25th. The last date is April 27th for the, that's for the last one. This online based MHCET Law 2022 will have 150 objective type questions which is to be asked from the syllabus which is prescribed by the CET cell. The MHCET Law syllabus consists of legal aptitude and reasoning, then logical and analytical reasoning, then general aptitude with current affairs, then English portion is there. Mathematics is also there, but it is only for the 5-year LLB entrance test. So what is this entrance examination all about that you are going to give? Maharashtra Common Entrance Test for the law, or in short that we call it MHCET Law, is a state level law entrance examination which takes place in Maharashtra. As state CET cell, then Maharashtra is authorized to conduct this MHCET Law for admission to the 3-year LLB and the 5-year LLB programs which is offered by the law colleges in the state of Maharashtra. A total of 147 law colleges accept this MHCET Law course. Now, what is this? What is the intake for this year? Like, how many seats are being provided for admission purpose for this year? The state CET cell has already released the list of colleges that would participate in the MHCET Law examination for the year 2022, and every year around 147 law colleges and universities participate in this MHCET Law counseling. Now, these colleges offer around 16,400 seats in the 3-year LLB and around 11,000 seats in the 5-year LLB programs. Mostly, this happens in the previous years, and by taking the data of the previous years, this has been the conclusion. Now, people who are filling up the application form, let me tell you, you have to pay a minimum of 800 rupees as your application fees. And the mode of examination would be online, and the participating colleges include 91 colleges. Your exam duration would be of 2 hours, and as I told you, there would be the courses of LLB for the 3-year program as well as for the 5-year program, and the number of seats for the LLB 5-year program includes 10,000 seats for this year. So just imagine how much would be the competition. Obviously, certain eligibility criteria is required to go through this entrance examination and to take admission. The candidate needs to pass class 10+2 at least, or any equivalent examination, including a 3-year diploma in engineering. And the minimum marks that they have to secure is a minimum aggregate of 45% marks for the general category candidates, and for the SC/ST category candidates, you have to secure 40% marks. And for the other category candidates who have passed the senior secondary or obtained the first degree certificates through distance education or any correspondence method are also eligible to take admission over here and to give this entrance examination. So that was for the 5-year LLB program. Now we are going to discuss what's the eligibility criteria for the 3-year LLB course. In case of candidates who are applying for admission to the 3-year LLB course, you need to possess a graduate degree in any discipline. Candidates who are appearing in their qualifying examinations may also apply. What is the minimum aggregate marks that you need to secure in order to be eligible for this exam? The general category candidates belonging to Maharashtra should be having at least 45% marks. The SC/ST candidates from Maharashtra should be having 40% marks. Candidates from other states should be having 45% marks. Now, candidates from other states include all category candidates. So that was the entire discussion about this entrance examination that is going to happen soon. So if you want to join the crash courses provided by our institution, you can definitely get the facilities of live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access 24/7. You will also get mock test facilities, crash course facilities, revision classes, doubt clearing sessions, then scholarship facilities. Then after every session there would be worksheets provided to you. Then doorstep delivery of study materials is available. So if you want to join our classes, you can definitely call us at the number which is provided in the description box below, and you can check the description box. You will get all the information regarding our classes. You will also get the website link, that is www.saurabhsysclasses.com. You can go over to that link, and there you will get this enrollment form. You can fill it up and join our classes. Whatever facility you want, we are here to guide you and help you out with that. So that was the entire discussion for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.